morning guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to our first ever sort of vlog style video. We've never done one before, so we're going to give it a go. It's a mega exciting day for us because we're actually heading down to Peterborough to pick up the Audi S5. We left the house at 6 o'clock, quarter to 6 this morning. We've been on a bus already. We've got our first train. We're now at Hamilton train station waiting for the train to Motherwell. Then we're off to Edinburgh, and from Edinburgh down to Peterborough, so 400 miles ahead of us, and then a 400 mile drive back in the S5.
Still got a little bit of time until the next train comes.
Yeah. So, well, we're on it. We want to give a massive welcome to all the new subscribers to the channel. And a massive thanks to James over at Chop's Garage for giving us a mention on his channel. It's really helped boost the views and the subscribers on our channel. So for that we can't thank you enough, James. It's absolutely brilliant. For anybody watching who hasn't seen James's channel, it's Chop's Garage. He buys and sells cars. He started his own wee business buying and selling cars. We'll leave a link to his channel in the description. Go check him out. Make sure you hit the subscribe button because he does awesome videos. So we're going to go get our next train to Motherwell and we'll see you shortly. Hey guys, so far we've been on 4 trains. This is our fifth and final train. We're in Edinburgh Waverley and this one's direct to Peterborough, so it's 3 hours 48 minutes on this train. So we've not buying cheap train tickets, we've not even got a window seat. We're stuck in the corner, so we've got Goon Squad to watch though. So we'll be watching 3-4 hours of Goon Squad. We'll see you when we get to Peterborough. Right guys, that's us back in Peterborough. Luckily we know this place. This is where we used to live before we moved back to Scotland. We've just got off the train. I've managed to spare 20 minutes and spend it with my eldest daughter. So she's gone back to work. We're expecting a lift to turn up in the Waitrose car park any minute, and then we'll be picking up the car.
We've just picked up the Audi S5. It looks good, it sounds good. You guys will probably want to see it. Should we roll a montage?
Yeah, we'll have a montage. Guys, there we have it, the Audi S5. Charlie's already jumped in the car because it's windy, it's raining. We've got 400 miles to go. Let's get in the car, start heading up the motorway, and we'll give you an update when we're halfway there.
So obviously we're going to put a big single turbo on this and get it up to around 650 brake horsepower, but it's still pretty fast standard at 350, so we're going to do a little pull for you, see what it feels like, but we can't go too mad because the clutch is a little iffy.
Ready? Right, so we'll go for, we're joining the dual carriageway now, so we'll go for a little 20 mile an hour to 70 pull. We're not going to break any laws on this channel. You ready?
So the journey so far is going pretty well. We just finished going along the A1 and this is, we're at the end of the A66 now. Stopped at the petrol station, filled it back up.
Yeah, I filled it back up. It's took £62 to refill it, so it's better than I thought it would be. I think it's averaging about 25-26 miles to the gallon. but we are only driving slow, so we're taking our time with it. We've got what, 106, 110 miles to go or something.
Just under 2 hours left.
So we've got some snacks, we've got some juice. Let's knock out the rest of this journey and get home.
Stick some Goon Squad on.
So guys, that's it for this video. We got home pretty late last night, so we decided just to have something to eat and get to bed. We've already started cracking on with the second Audi, so that video will be out next week. Look forward to that. So yeah, that was our first ever vlog video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, drop us a comment below. We'll maybe look at doing some more. But yeah, we've ordered the clutch for this already, so it won't be too long before we're starting the turbo on it.
And make sure you subscribe, like, comment, all that stuff. It really helps us out. And we've already hit 1,600 subscribers, thanks to Chop.
Massive thanks to James over at Chop's Garage. If you don't, James has really gave us a boost. He's done what would probably take the algorithm a year to pick up. He's done it overnight for us, so we can't thank him enough. Any of you guys watching who hasn't seen Chop's Garage, we'll leave a link in his description below. Make sure you go over and check him out. Make sure you hit the subscribe button on his channel as well. And yeah, thanks again for watching. And we'll see you next week with the second Audi. And,
yeah, make sure you subscribe, like, comment. It all helps us out. And a massive thank you. We've just hit 16,000 subs already.
16,000?
16,000 already.
1,600.
Ah.